In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the IDM extension in Google Chrome. By the end of this tutorial, your Internet Download Manager will be fully integrated with Chrome, so your downloads can be captured and accelerated automatically. First, make sure that Internet Download Manager is already installed on your computer. The extension we're about to set up is just a bridge between Chrome and the main IDM program. If IDM itself is not installed, the extension will not work properly. Now, open Google Chrome. In the address bar at the top, type Chrome/extensions and press Enter. This will take you straight to the extensions page, where you can manage everything that runs alongside your browser. Here, look toward the top right and check that developer mode is turned on. When developer mode is enabled, you'll see a few extra options like Load Unpacked and Pack Extension. We need this mode, so Chrome will allow us to add IDM manually. Next, we need to locate the IDM extension file on your computer. Open your File Explorer and go to the folder where Internet Download Manager is installed. By default, this is usually on your main drive, inside a Program Files directory in a folder named for IDM. Once you're inside that folder, look for a subfolder called something like IDM Chrome Extension or IDM GCE. This is the folder that contains the extension files Chrome needs. Keep this folder window open and switch back to the Chrome extensions page. Now comes the key step. Click and hold the IDM extension folder. Then drag it directly into the Chrome window where your extensions are listed. When you drop the folder there, Chrome should automatically recognize it and prompt you to confirm adding the extension. Go ahead and allow it. After a moment, you should see the IDM integration module, or similarly named extension, appear in your list. Make sure the toggle next to it is turned on. If you'd like, you can also pin it to your toolbar by clicking the puzzle icon in Chrome's top right corner and selecting the IDM extension from the list, so it's easier to access. Finally, restart Chrome and run IDM to be sure they're working together. Visit a website with downloadable content, and you should see IDM offering to download files automatically. That's all you need to do to install the IDM extension in Google Chrome.